factor tree of 112. So 112, it can be written as 2 times 56. 2 times 56 mean 112, and 56, it can be written as 2 times 28. 2 times 28 mean 56. 28, it can be written as 2 times 14. 2 times 14 mean 28. So 14, it can be written as 2 times 7. 2 times 7 mean 14. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, this 2, 2 and 7. So we can write 112 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 2 and at last this 7. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.